To make a YouTube video from scratch, you need to think about niche video ideas, record the videos, edit them, make them engaging, do the voiceover, create thumbnails, and finally publish them. There are tons of activities involved and it is not easy. But now with AI, all of that can be done without any hassles. And it can really help boost your YouTube growth. AI can not only help you create videos, but it can also help you make them unique and engaging. Most YouTubers are using AI to generate videos in some way or the other. If you use AI, you will be steps ahead of your fellow YouTubers and you'll see a faster growth. And it is true. Those who learn AI now will definitely get an edge in the future. I personally use AI for all my work, from scripting till thumbnail creation. Let's see 5 AI tools for generating mind-blowing content, especially if you are a beginner. But before we begin, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you're planning to create a YouTube channel in 2025, then AI can help you in different parts of that YouTube channel, starting from your channel's name, logo, until scripting and finally creating the thumbnail. To make the logo and banner, we will use this tool called Ideogram. If I have a gadgets related channel named Gadget Glance, I will write a prompt like this: create a logo for my YouTube channel based on reviewing gadgets. The name of the channel is Gadget Glance. After writing this prompt, I can select the aspect ratio. The logo of a YouTube channel has the aspect ratio of 1:1. So I will select the aspect ratio of 1:1 from here. And if I have a particular color palette in my mind, then I will select that from this option. I can also select a theme for my logo, be it general, realistic, design. And as soon as I click on generate, Ideogram will start giving me 4 options for my logo. Here are the 4 logo options for my channel, which is based on gadgets review. To make these videos, I did not hire a designer. I did not use Canva or any other tool. And I also did not use my brain and spend hours figuring out which logo to make. All I did was just writing a single prompt, and Ideogram gave me all these logos on the basis of the prompt, and that too within seconds. Similarly, to create the banner of my YouTube channel, I will make only one change to this prompt. The new prompt will be create a banner for my YouTube channel based on reviewing gadgets. The name of the channel is Gadget Glance. Just like the logo, I have the option to choose the aspect ratio. For the banner, the aspect ratio will be 16:9. After selecting the color palette and theme, I will click on generate. And here you see, just in a matter of few seconds, these are the banner options that I got from Ideogram. These are so amazing that it would have taken me hours if I had to do it on my own. But these look so stunning. If you're just starting out and learning content creation and you do not have a studio, but you want to create some amazing studio backgrounds, then you can do this with the help of AI tools, and that too at zero cost. For this, you can use this AI tool called Bing Image Creator. I will provide the link in the video description. You can directly come to the link by clicking on it. Now, to create amazing studio backgrounds with this tool, I will write a single line prompt here. Create an image of a background with a bookshelf, a plant, and a lamp. If you want anything else in your studio background, then you can write that here in your prompt. And as soon as you click on create, this AI tool will generate some amazing studio backgrounds for you. And just have a look at that. These are really amazing studio backgrounds. This background has come out absolutely perfect. You might have observed that these images are square shaped and cannot be directly used as is for a YouTube background. To change the aspect ratio, I will go to an image that I like and then click on the option of resize. Here, I will select the second option, which is landscape. You can create such amazing backgrounds with this AI tool by giving the prompt as per your preference for the kind of studio background that you want. In the prompt, I had written that I want a bookshelf, a lamp, and a plant. So you can see how beautiful images have been created which can be used for a YouTube video background. To download it from here, you can simply click on this download button. Once the logo and banner are done, you can use ChatGPT to create a title and script for your video. Once that's done, the next step is to generate a voiceover. You can use tools like Descript or 11 Labs to create the voiceover. But these tools are paid, or after exhausting the limit, you will be asked for a subscription fee. To create voiceovers using free tools, watch this video that I made earlier. This detailed video will show you 2 methods to create unlimited text to voice option, that too for free, be it any language or any accent. If you want to create voiceovers in Indian English accent, that's possible too. You will find the video on the I button and the link is available in the description. If the voice on your channel is like this:
Hi everyone, let's learn 5 AI tools for content creation.
But you want it to be something like this: hi everyone, let's learn 5 AI tools for content creation. To do this, you can use a tool called Adobe podcast. This tool will remove all the background noise and it will make your voiceovers high quality. You can find the direct link in the description box. When you click on the link, you will come to this screen. Here, you get an option of enhance speech. Click on the button underneath. Go to enhance speech. From here, you can select the audio file you want to enhance by clicking on this button. Choose files. If your audio file sounded like this,
Hey, Sam here, the lead designer on the Adobe podcast, and I'm out here in front of some construction by the Adobe New York City Union Square office.
after the enhancement using Adobe Podcast, it will sound something like this.
Hey, Sam here, the lead designer on the Adobe podcast, and I'm out here in front of some construction by the...
So you can find a significant difference in the sound quality.
No matter how good your video is, no matter how good the title is, but if the thumbnail is not good, people will not click on it. You will get the views only if your thumbnails are really good. If you want to create such amazing thumbnails, you can take the help of AI, that too for free. You can get the idea of the thumbnail from ChatGPT. Not only this, you can also take the help of ChatGPT to generate prompts. Once you get the prompt, you can use it in a tool like Ideogram to generate amazing thumbnails for you. And in a matter of few seconds and in a few clicks, you will get such amazing thumbnails without any effort. If I had to do it on my own, this would have taken me hours to do. But AI will make these thumbnails in few seconds. You can watch this detailed video I made earlier on how to create thumbnails using the free AI tools. And I guarantee you, once you watch the video, you will never want to create thumbnails on your own. And instead, you will always use those AI tools. It's on the I button and the link is in the description box. If you want to go ahead of your peers, learn AI today. Whether we agree or not, AI is coming. If you're planning to take a course on AI to get a better job or upskill yourself, watch this video to find out which one is best suited for your needs. If you enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. My name is Garima and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye bye.